Every night, you voluntarily lie down and allow your conscious mind to shut down. Your awareness of the physical room around you dissolves into black. You lose the ability to move, to speak, and to defend yourself. In every practical sense, falling asleep is a dress rehearsal for non-existence. You are handing over total control of your body to the dark. Logically, we have no absolute ironclad certainty that the you who closes their eyes will actually be there to open them again. When the conscious pilot leaves the cockpit, something else must take over the controls. Surviving the next 8 hours relies on a hidden, ancient biological machine. The exact millisecond your awareness drops to zero, this secondary system boots up, acting as your physical tether to the waking world. Deep in the base of your skull sits the brainstem. It operates entirely without your conscious input, acting as your body's autonomic failsafe. This diagram maps the failsafe. A continuous loop of electrical signals fires from the brainstem into your vital organs, commanding lungs to breathe and heart to contract. While offline, these biological loops act as a heavy anchor line, keeping oxygen levels regulated and preventing biological failure. The physical body maintains its own rigorous maintenance schedule, operating as a self-sustaining vessel engineered strictly for survival. But keeping the engine running doesn't explain how your dormant body knows when it has rested enough to stop. This 24-hour model visualizes your circadian rhythm. It acts as an internal biological clock, tracking time and pitch blackness, independent of sunlight or awareness. It calculates the precise hours required for tissue repair and memory consolidation, counting down the dark minutes to pinpoint the exact moment to return. By tracking the math, this internal clock ensures your descent into the void is a temporary, measured state. As morning approaches, that internal clock hits its mark and signals the climax of the sleep cycle. Looking at this structural map of the brain, we can isolate the master switch, the reticular activating system, or RAS. When it receives the wake signal, the RAS trips the breaker. It triggers a system-wide chemical flood, releasing a surge of cortisol and energizing hormones directly into your bloodstream. This is a deliberate, harsh biological jolt, a chemical shockwave engineered specifically to pull your consciousness back to the surface. Your brain executes an aggressive biological rescue mission to forcefully pull the conscious self back to the surface. If we step back from the microscopic machinery inside your skull, we can look at the macro reality of human behavior. This visualization tracks the global scale of sleep. Every 24 hours, 8 billion humans safely power down and successfully power back up. Zooming into your personal data, your biological failsafes have executed their programming flawlessly, thousands of times, bringing you back with a 100% success rate. The sheer weight of that statistical momentum works in tandem with an autonomic engine that is heavily fortified against failure. Waking up tomorrow is the predictable result of billion-year-old biological engineering and unbroken statistical momentum, a guaranteed daily rebirth.